Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan and today, Thursday, 16 November 2023, I have 22 potential trade setups to discuss where I will try to get long on the New Zealand, the Euro and the Swiss franc, and I'm going to try to be short on the CAD, the US and the Yen. My first pick of the day is a potential long on the pound yen, but before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I will show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. The pound yen, we got a stronger pound than the yen, still the black sheep. So I would like to be long, identify this potential triangle, not completely formed yet, but for later today. I will give more information during the live stream on this. If the market retraces, I will be interested in this level here. Other than that, the triangle, if it plays out, if it breaks and then the retest, there's something I will do. And the pound CAD, the pound stronger than the CAD. I'm losing hope on this one, but a very nice level at the 50% level, so I'm leaving it here for in case. If I look at the 1 hour chart, it starts to make a triple bottom, and if it starts to break and close above that on a 1 hour basis, it could be a reversal coming in for us, and that's why I still have it on the charts. Or 4 hour reversal obviously would also work for me. The pound Swiss, yesterday no new trade here today, but yesterday the only trade for the day, we tested the level, beautiful hammer candle, this is textbook stuff, rushed out of the blocks and then completely fell. This was a full loss on this trade then. Sadly, not a nice one for us, but not on my list for today. In the Euro CAD, Euro is much stronger than the CAD, so waiting for the retest, still same as yesterday at this area here. Once it retests, I will look for some pattern reversals. The Euro US, Euro stronger than the US definitely. Still got these two levels here, this one here and this structure here. Even this pattern retest would be interesting, but I don't think that'll get there today. But if we can get it slowly but surely to dribble down here today or tomorrow, I would get interested in some longs here. Aussie US, we've got Australian dollar there. The US a little bit close to each other, but still stronger. If it gets down to this market structure at the 61%, I'll look for some pattern reversals. The Euro Yen still very strong. Euro up there, Yen there should be the favorite of the day, but it's so far off the entry that's why it's not my favorite of the day. But Euro much stronger than the Yen, and I would like to see some form of retracement or consolidation. At this stage, I only can pick up a retracement back to this area before I'll get interested. Swiss Yen, Swiss strong, Yen weak. Retest this level between the 61 and 78%. That's the only level I can really get interested in. This was not strong enough, but this we picked up a couple of weeks ago, so it might take a day or two or three before we get there. But I don't remove these things from my watch list, because if it happens, I need to be there. Then the New Zealand CAD, retest this structure here at the 61%, just below the 61% level. I won't go for these levels, they're above the 50%, so I'm not that interested in getting in that high. I want a decent retracement. So this is the area I'll get interested on some pattern reversals. Aussie Yen, still good, although the Aussie looks a little bit neutral. It's a way to get short on the Yen if it retraces back to the structure level here at 61%. And the Nasdaq, we've got a weak dollar, still the same as yesterday, but now I've lifted the level slightly. Much better level coming in there for me, and this one here at the 50, just below the 61% level. But this is the two levels I will watch as long as the dollar stays weak. S&P 500, also this level now comes in at 61%, same as the Nasdaq, kind of retracement. They will all do the same thing, and the same on the Dow Jones. So we got three levels to watch. Just remember, all three of them will do most likely the same thing. As long as we got a weak dollar, I'll still be bullish. It's going to be a while for this to retrace, but I want to have my lines there and on my watch list in case it happens. In the pound US, pound losing a bit of steam, but much stronger than the dollar. At least at this stage, I'm going to wait at the 61% right at this market structure here to see if I can get some long entries on pattern reversals. The New Zealand yen, New Zealand way up there, lost some steam over the last week or so, but gaining it again. fighting for the first spot there against the euro, and the yen just the black sheep of the market. I'm still interested in a retest of the 61% and some pattern reversals. CAD yen both weak, but the CAD much stronger than the yen at a very nice level. Usually I don't like to do these ones, but if you look at the resistance, it's a very strong level that it took a long time to take it out. There's much more of them in the history, actually, there and there and there. So that's why I still have it up on my list. If it gets back down there, I'll look for some pattern reversals. The Aussie New Zealand, big swing down the page, did retest that level. We couldn't get in at that stage. I'll try again if I can see Aussie New Zealand. You can see as long as they stay apart and the Aussie below the New Zealand, I'm fine with that. When it gets there, I might look for some pattern reversals there to sell short. In the New Zealand, US New Zealand, very strong, dollar weak. I would like to see a retest. I got at the 50% this structure here, just above the 61% this structure here. So I'll treat both levels separately and see if I can get some pattern reversals from any of these two levels. In the euro pound, got a little bit of a consolidation breakout. We can see the consolidation, flag pattern, but I don't like this trend that's zigzag a little bit. So if it gets back to this level, I'll still honor the pattern, providing the trend is bullish and that the euro is still way above the pound. Then Brent oil did break this rising trend line now. So if it gets up back there, it's a point of looking for shorts for the crazies that wants to short commodities. Personally, I don't do that. But Brent, such a nice technical picture. When it gets back up there, I think it's time to investigate 1 hour or 4 hour reversals. That'll get me to look for shorts. CAD Swiss, nice swing down the page, retracement, 61% Fibonacci, right at the structure here. If you look at CAD, Swiss is gaining, so definitely I want to be long Swiss. CAD's battling here at the bottom, not gaining in strength, so I would still like to be short in CAD. So that will be the label for me to look for some pattern reversals. My favorite trade idea for today is a potential long on the FTSE. But first, please let me know in the comments below if you want me to make any specific educational videos for you. Also, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up. You need that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on my daily trade ideas. So on the FTSE, we got this falling trend line tested 1, 2, 3 times. The break, the retest getting interested. Also this swing here from this low to that high, the Fibonacci is also the 61, the 50 to 61% trade zone here. With the pound losing speed, I'm really interested. I would like to see the pound weaker, which is stock market bullish, but it's losing speed at a high pace. So I would like to see a weaker pound, but when it retests there, I'll get interested then in longs on some pattern reversal. But trading isn't just about my insights, guys. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the links in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly. Can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.